Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Park Phantom 81 here. So today I want to talk about my pseudo investing addiction. I don't want to use that word lightly because there are some real addictions out there. I'm not actually addicted to investing, but I'm just gonna say I am for the purpose of this video because it's lighthearted and fun. But yeah, so investing addiction. So I'm sure a lot of you guys also feel the same way. For me personally, so I get paid like twice a month. But I always look forward to when I can actually start depositing more money into my account. And anything I say that I'm going to do with my money, like pay off debt or like actually have a savings account, or savings of any kind, doesn't have to be for emergency funds or anything like that, just savings, ends up going right back into my investment accounts. And it's even hard to invest in my long-term investment accounts. So actually I finally opened up a long-term retirement account, 401k. It's free money, I can't say no to it. But I find myself even decreasing my contributions to that, and even like my M1 finance portfolio, which is longer term, I find myself having difficulty committing to that sometimes. I mean, I still do. You know, just so many good opportunities to get into like amazing companies, especially right now. And so I basically did a few different purchases. One is large cap tech growth, and that is Microsoft. So earlier today I became a first-time Microsoft shareholder. So I now own about 75 shares of Microsoft. I'm going to round up to 100 so that I can start doing covered calls on that. And the covered calls should maybe generate at least $2,000 in passive income in 2021. So it's a nice position I wanted to start here in Q4 2020. So that's one type of investment I'm doing. The other one is, as I mentioned, maybe a little bit more longer term. And so that's REITs. My favorite REITs right now are ticker symbol O, ticker symbol ESS, and ticker symbol FRT. I think these are the best managed REITs in the world. Well, that may be pushing it, but some of the best managed REITs out there, and I definitely like them. And so they're yielding at least 4% right now. A lot of reasons for why I got into them, but just generally, I think real estate is pretty beaten down right now with everything that's going on, and so I'm kind of banking for recovery. And so I see this as a, I don't know if I should say low risk, high reward, but definitely there is some risk, I guess. But you know, I like to invest in things that are beaten down sometimes. And then the last type of investment is kind of like a no-brainer type of investment, which is Kimberly-Clark is getting beaten down right now. So I'm really excited about that one. And then I think AbbVie is also getting beaten down. Also, S&P Global, ticker symbol SPGI, is getting beaten down right now. But for the most part, I'm really loving Kimberly-Clark, 3% dividend yielder. You know, I think they're in over 100 different countries. One of the largest CPG brands in the world, and so it's kind of a no-brainer, like I said. But yeah, so going back to the main topic, so investing, right? So everything I just mentioned is like stuff that I'm genuinely excited to do, which is actually invest in high quality companies. Like, it makes me feel good to do that. And I think I have no problem with spending money on investments. In fact, I don't even think spend is the right word for this. And generally the trick to keep on investing is just to kind of rewire your brain to kind of like it. It's not for everybody, I'll admit that, but I think making money helps. So it's just like, what is your success defined by, I guess? Some people maybe showing off, spending money on things that are kind of glamorous and flashy makes them feel good. I'm not like talking down on anyone, right? We all get one shot at life, and if that's what you want to do with your money, that's totally cool too. But yeah, it's just about what your success is defined by, and I think that eventually alters your financial decisions. But yeah, so 2020 is coming to an end. That means Christmas time is right around the corner, so I definitely want to buy presents. Also helping out my family with some stuff right now, so a little bit difficult to juggle everything, especially when I'm just so excited for Friday to come around so I can, you know, deposit money into my accounts and kind of make it work. And just seeing my account go down makes me want to put more money into it. So just juggling all of that. Obviously this is meant to be a lighthearted video, but let me know if you guys can relate with this investing addiction. Let me know how you guys deal with it, if you deal with it at all. And yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.